This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed vegetable pickle at home. First, gather your fresh, firm vegetables such as carrots, cauliflower, and green beans. Wash them thoroughly and ensure they are completely dry to prevent any spoilage. Next, cut your vegetables into uniform pieces, ideally about 1 inch in size, for even pickling. Finally, sterilize your pickling jars to ensure a safe and delicious homemade pickle. Now, let's create that incredible flavor base. Gently roast your whole spices, like mustard seeds, fenugreek, and fennel, until fragrant. Then, grind them into a coarse powder to release their full aroma. Next, heat a generous amount of mustard oil until it just begins to smoke, then turn off the heat. It's crucial to let this oil cool completely before you combine it with other ingredients. With your spices and oil ready, it's time to bring everything together. Combine your prepared vegetables with the aromatic ground spices and a good amount of salt. Now, pour in the completely cooled mustard oil and a splash of vinegar. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring all the vegetables are beautifully coated. Carefully transfer this vibrant mixture into your sterilized jars, pressing down gently to remove air. The final step is curing, which develops the pickle's deep flavors. Place your sealed jars in a sunny spot for several days, allowing the sun to work its magic. Remember to shake the jars daily to ensure all the flavors meld beautifully. Your delicious mixed vegetable pickle will typically be ready to enjoy in about 5 to 7 days. Store it in a cool, dark place for long-term freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.